Hello student. Today we are going to study ACE inhibitors, means angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors under antihypertensive agent from unit 2 of medicine chemistry. Second, ACE means angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors is an agent which block the angiotensin converting enzyme which ultimately inhibit the conversion of angiotensin 2 from angiotensin 1. Means angiotensin converting enzyme is responsible for conversion of angiotensin 1 to the angiotensin 2, and the inhibitors they block this conversion of angiotensin 1 into the 2. These agents, ACE inhibitors, they are used in the treatment of hypertension, heart failure, and myocardial infarction. Now we'll see the mechanism of angiotensin 2 production and its action. When in the body there is reduced blood pressure or lower sodium excretion, then the renin is released or secreted by the kidney. This renin circulated in the blood and it converts angiotensinogenin, which is synthesized in liver, to the angiotensin 1. Renin released from the kidney, then it circulated in the blood, and in liver it converts angiotensinogenin into the angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 is biologically inactive, and the biochemical conversion continue with breakdown of angiotensin 1 to the angiotensin 2, and this conversion is catalyzed or conducted by the ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme. So conversion of angiotensin 1 into the 2. Now angiotensin 2 is the potent vasoconstrictor agent. It causes vasoconstriction and it increases the peripheral resistance. So it will be responsible for the elevated blood pressure. The angiotensin 2 which further hydrolysis to the angiotensin 3, which is less potent than the angiotensin 2, but both angiotensin 2 and angiotensin 3 they are responsible for the they regulate or responsible for the aldosterone secretion. They increases aldosterone secretion and causes fluid and sodium retention, which increases the cardiac output, and this is also responsible for the elevation or increase in the blood pressure. So this is the cycle how the blood pressure increases or elevated. First, renin is released from the kidney when there is reduced blood pressure. Then it causes conversion of angiotensinogenin into angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 is inactive. It converts into the angiotensin 2 by the enzyme ACE, angiotensin converting enzyme. Angiotensin 2 is potent vasoconstrictor, and due to vasoconstriction there is increase in peripheral resistance. Angiotensin 2 after hydrolysis it converts into angiotensin 3, and both are responsible for the aldosterone secretion. This aldosterone regulates the fluid and sodium. It causes sodium and fluid retention, which causes increase in the cardiac output, and both these responsible for the elevation of the blood pressure. Now the ACE inhibitors, that is angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor, they block the conversion of angiotensin 1 to the potent vasoconstrictor angiotensin 2, and by this way the ACE inhibitors, they lower the blood pressure by reducing the peripheral vascular resistance. Angiotensin 2 is responsible for vasoconstriction, so ACE inhibitor block the conversion of angiotensin 1 into the 2, so angiotensin 2 is not synthesized or produced, and because of that there is lower in the blood pressure. And ACE inhibitors decrease angiotensin 2 and increase bradykinin level. Bradykinin levels, it causes the vasodilation. So ACE inhibitors decrease angiotensin 2 and increase bradykinin, and bradykinin responsible for vasodilation, and it also reduces the blood pressure. ACE inhibitors also decrease the secretion of aldosterone. The angiotensin 2 is not produced or synthesized, and because of that there is decrease in the secretion of aldosterone, resulting in decrease in sodium and water retention, and which is also responsible for the decrease in the blood pressure. So ACE inhibitors, they are used to lower the blood pressure, or they are also called as antihypertensive agent. Now angiotensin converting enzymes inhibitors, ACE inhibitors, they are classified chemically into three classes. First, sulfahydryl containing inhibitors, example is captopril. Second is dicarboxylate containing inhibitors, example is enalapril, lisinopril, quinapril, ramipril. And third class is phosphonate containing inhibitor, example is fosinopril. Now we'll see one by one these agents. First class is sulfahydryl containing inhibitors, that is captopril. So this is the structure of captopril. Here the angiotensin 1, it converting to the angiotensin Q, angiotensin 2. Here the peptide chain or amino acid chain present in angiotensin 1. Here the peptide or amino acid chain present in angiotensin 1, and the ACV, that is angiotensin converting enzyme, convert 1 into the angiotensin 2, and this ACE is blocked by the ACE inhibitors, for example captopril. So angiotensin converting enzyme, it produces angiotensin 2, and this is potent vasoconstrictor but also inactivate the potent vasodilator, that is bradykinin. Now captopril, let's see the structure of captopril. Here the chemical name, this is the structure. The chemical name is 1,2,S,3 mercapto 3 methyl 1 oxo propionyl proline. Now for giving IUPAC name, the basic moiety selected is the proline. Proline, this is the structure. This is the structure of proline. 5 member containing nitrogen along with COH. 5 member containing nitrogen along with carboxyl group. This moiety is called as proline. Now proline, through the nitrogen there is attachment of this group. So numbering of proline started from nitrogen. This is nitrogen is 1 number, so total group is attached to the 1 number, so 1 is written here. Now here the 3 carbon chain, 1 2 3, so it is called as propionyl, and the 1 carbon is having a carbonyl group, so ketone, that is propionyl, so it is written not propyl, it is propionyl because of ketone is present. Now at third position there is attachment of SS, that is thiol, or we can also call it as mercapto. 3 mercapto, 1 2 3, this third carbon and mercapto group is attached, 3 mercapto. Then methyl group, this is methyl group at second position, and the carboxyl group, oxo group, at first position. So this is first 1 oxopropenyl, and total moiety attached to the proline through the number 1, that is through nitrogen. So this is the chemical name of captopril, or IUPAC name of captopril. Captopril block the ACE, and by this way it inhibits the conversion of angiotensin 1 into the angiotensin 2, and by this way angiotensin 2 is not produced, and the captopril produces vasodilation. It competitively bind with ACE enzyme. Captopril bind with ACE enzyme and block the conversion of 1 to the angiotensin 1 to the angiotensin 2. It is used in the treatment of hypertension and heart failure. Second category or second class, that is dicarboxylate containing ACE inhibitors. Captopril comes under sulfhydryl containing ACE inhibitor. Now second class is dicarboxylate containing ACE inhibitors. Example is enalapril and lisinopril. So this is the structure of enalapril. In the structure, the IUPAC name 1 in bracket 1 carboxy 3 phenyl propyl L alanine L proline 1 ethyl ester. Similarly, this drug also containing the proline nucleus 5-membered containing nitrogen along with carboxyl group, that is proline, and the remaining moiety is attached to the first number of proline, that is nitrogen, and that moiety is the alanine. Alanine is this total group is called as alanine, from amine to the CO. Total group is called as alanine, and on that alanine, to that alanine, this moiety is attached. Here this moiety is proline, 3 carbon chain 1 2 3, so proline, and on that proline there is different substitution, that is 1 carboxy, first carbon there is carboxy group in the form of ester. So 1 carboxy, and from third carbon there is attachment of phenyl, so 3 phenyl, total 3 carbon chain, that is proline. The configuration is S of that proline, and this propyl, 3 phenyl propyl, this 3 carbon chain is the propyl, and total moiety is attached to the alanine through the nitrogen. Alanine is this moiety, and this alanine is attached to the L proline. So this is chemical name, and the carboxyl group present in the form of ester, and that ester is the ethyl ester. So here 1-ethyl ester is written here. So enalapril is the prodrug, means it is ester after metabolism convert into the enalaprilate, that is this ester is hydrolyzed and this C2H5OH is released, and the COH group is written here, and this enalaprillate is the active drug which block the ACE enzyme. And enalapril also same mechanism of action, it inhibit the ACE and block conversion of angiotensin 1 into the 2, uses same use in the treatment of hypertension and heart failure. The second drug under this category, dicarboxylate, is the lisinopril. Chemical name 1 carboxy 3 phenyl propyl L-lysyl L-proline dihydrate. Now similarly, lisinopril also having the proline nucleus, that is 5-membered nitrogen with carboxylic group, this is proline, and through proline there is different attachment. Here the to this nitrogen of proline, the lysyl group, amino acid lysyl, this is the lysyl from amine to the CO and the chain of 4 carbons with NH2. Total this moiety is called as the lysyl, and this lysyl is attached to the proline through the 1 number. On this lysyl, the different substitutions similarly as enalapril, the 3 carbon chain propyl, that is propyl, 3 carbon chain is propyl attached to the lysyl. The at first position there is carboxylic acid, so 1 carboxy. Next add third carbon to the propyl, phenyl ring, so 3 phenyl propyl, and total this moiety is attached to the lysyl, and lysyl is attached to the L-proline. So this is chemical name of lisinopril. Same lisinopril is used as an antihypertensive and in the treatment of heart failure. Rest of the drugs and next part we will see in the next part of the video. Thank you very much.